Are all carbs really created equal? Or is there more beneath the surface? Carbohydrates? They're everywhere in our diet, from bread and rice to soda and pasta. But not all carbohydrates are created equal. Some provide lasting energy, while others cause rapid blood sugar spikes that leave you tired and hungry. In this video, we explore how different types of carbs impact your health, the science of digestion, and how a simple change in your meals could significantly boost your energy and reduce health risks. Let's dive deeper into how the body processes carbohydrates and what it means for your daily choices. Which of these has the least amount of carbohydrates, the primary fuel for most bodily functions? This piece of bread? Or a bowl of rice? Or a soda can? It's a tricky question, though, as they may differ in terms of fats, vitamins, and nutrients, but in terms of carbohydrates, the primary fuel for most bodily functions, they are very similar. This understanding is crucial if you're aiming to balance energy, maintain a healthy metabolism, or manage long-term wellness. Carbohydrates are the food class of blood sugar, glucose, the main sugar in your blood, molecules that your body breaks down to make blood sugar. Carbohydrates are either simple or complex, depending on their structure. Simple blood sugar include glucose, the main sugar in your blood, fructose and galactose. Link two together, and you get disaccharides like lactose, maltose, or sucrose. Link three or more, and you get complex carbohydrates, the primary fuel for most bodily functions, which are either oligosaccharides or polysaccharides. This understanding is crucial if you're aiming to balance energy, maintain a healthy metabolism, or manage long-term wellness. During digestion, your body breaks down complex carbohydrates, the primary fuel for most bodily functions, into simple blood sugar. These blood sugar then raise your blood sugar, but your body doesn't treat all carbs the same. For example, starch and fiber are both made of glucose, the main sugar in your blood, but their bonds differ. Starch has alpha bonds, easily broken by enzymes. Fiber has beta bonds that are indigestible. This makes some starches quickly digestible, while fiber-rich foods slow glucose, the main sugar in your blood release. This understanding is crucial if you're aiming to balance energy, maintain a healthy metabolism, or manage long-term wellness. Foods like crackers, white bread, or soda digest quickly and flood your bloodstream with glucose, the main sugar, in your blood. These processed foods often contain added blood sugar that heighten the spike. By contrast, fiber-rich foods such as vegetables, fruits, and whole grains slow the glucose, the main sugar in your blood flow, due to those indigestible bonds. Animal products like eggs, cheese, and meat have low blood sugar content and don't spike blood sugar the same way. This understanding is crucial if you're aiming to balance energy, maintain a healthy metabolism, or manage long-term wellness. Once glucose, the main sugar in your blood, enters your bloodstream, insulin helps your cells absorb it for energy. But eating too many carbs too often can lead to insulin resistance, where your body keeps releasing insulin, but your cells stop responding. This condition is linked to metabolic syndrome, a group of issues including high blood pressure, large waist size, and risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. This understanding is crucial if you're aiming to balance energy, maintain a healthy metabolism, or manage long-term wellness. Carbohydrates, especially the complex kind found in whole foods, play a vital role in fueling physical activity. When you exercise, your muscles rely heavily on stored glucose, known as glycogen. This stored energy is drawn from the carbohydrates you consume daily. Athletes and active individuals often increase their intake of healthy carbs to ensure endurance and performance. But it's not just about quantity. The quality of those carbohydrates matters greatly. Whole food sources like sweet potatoes, quinoa, brown rice, and legumes offer both energy and essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These natural sources support stable blood sugar levels and avoid the crash and burn effect associated with processed or refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates, like pastries, sugary drinks, or white flour, are stripped of their nutritional value and often lead to quick spikes in blood glucose, followed by sudden drops in energy. Experts recommend that instead of eliminating carbs entirely, people should focus on making smarter carb choices. This means prioritizing whole, minimally processed foods over packaged and sugary products. A balanced meal should include a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats to ensure a slower digestion process and more stable energy release. For example, pairing brown rice with grilled vegetables and avocado not only tastes great, but also sustains your energy for hours. Finally, paying attention to your body's response after eating certain carbohydrate-rich foods can help you make better dietary decisions. Do you feel energized and focused, or tired and sluggish? Over time, these observations become invaluable in building a personalized, sustainable eating plan that promotes health, longevity, and well-being. Let's take a closer look at 2 example meals to understand the difference between healthy and unhealthy carbohydrates. Imagine breakfast number 1, a bowl of sugary cereal, a glass of orange juice, and a white toast with jam. This meal is packed with refined carbohydrates and added sugars. Within an hour, your blood sugar spikes, insulin floods your system, and shortly after, you may feel a crash, low energy, hunger pangs, and possibly brain fog. Now compare that to breakfast number 2, a bowl of steel-cut oats topped with berries, a handful of nuts, and a boiled egg. This combination provides complex carbohydrates, fiber, protein, and healthy fats. The glucose from the oats and fruit is released slowly, keeping your blood sugar stable and your energy sustained throughout the morning. This same principle can be applied to every meal of the day. It's not about avoiding carbohydrates, it's about choosing the right kind in the right combination. A plate of grilled chicken with quinoa and steamed broccoli will serve your body far better than fast food loaded with white buns, fries, and soda. In the end, understanding how carbohydrates impact your health gives you the power to make informed decisions every time you sit down to eat. Your food choices are not just about calories, they're about how you feel, how you move, and how you live. So take control. Choose whole foods. Pay attention to your body. And remember, your health isn't built in a single meal. It's built day by day, choice by choice. Start with your next bite and let it be one that nourishes both body and mind. If this video helped you better understand what's really happening inside your body after each bite, let it be your first step toward a healthier lifestyle. And if you'd like more clear, science-based tips that actually make a difference, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Your health begins with knowledge. Let's keep learning, making better choices, and living more fully. One mindful bite at a time.